In today's video, we embark on a captivating journey into the world of twin flames, a unique and profound connection that stands out in the universe of human relationships. This exploration takes us beyond the familiar concept of soulmates into a realm where spiritual and romantic bonds intertwine with remarkable intensity and depth. Guided by the insights of Dolores Cannon, a visionary in the study of spiritual phenomena, we delve into this enigmatic connection that transcends the ordinary parameters of soul relationships. Unlike soulmates, who are often seen as perfect matches, twin flames act as powerful mirrors to our own souls, reflecting our deepest flaws, unexplored potentials, and greatest strengths. Imagine a bond not just characterized by harmony and compatibility, but also defined by a journey of intense personal growth, spiritual awakening, and transformative learning. According to Cannon's research, twin flames are two halves of the same soul, separated across lifetimes, evolving independently, and then reuniting in a life-altering, deeply spiritual encounter. Are you curious about the possibility of a twin flame connection in your own life? Join us as we uncover the signs and intricacies of twin flame relationships, drawing upon Cannon's profound spiritual insights. Sign 1. A sudden spiritual awakening. At the heart of twin flame connections lies the first and most striking sign: a sudden spiritual awakening. This awakening is the defining characteristic of the deep bond twin flames share. It occurs when individuals meet their twin flame, whether in dreams, in person, or in an ephemeral moment, sparking an immediate and powerful elevation in spiritual awareness. This awakening is distinct from the gradual enlightenment one might experience with other soul connections, such as karmic partners or soulmates. Its key features are its depth and its immediacy. It's a significant, rapid increase in spiritual consciousness, uniquely connected to the twin flame encounter. Dolores Cannon's insights into spiritual phenomena offer a deeper understanding of this experience. She suggests that when twin flames meet, it's more than a mere meeting of minds or hearts. It's a powerful union of their spiritual essences, which have been evolving and journeying through various lifetimes. This union brings about a dramatic uplift in their spiritual understanding and consciousness. This profound connection is what differentiates twin flame relationships from other soul relationships. It acts as a catalyst for spiritual awakening, quickly advancing both individuals on their spiritual paths. This sudden and deep awakening is what makes the twin flame connection a rare and profound union. Sign 2. Perfect mirroring. Embarking further into the mystique of twin flame connections, we encounter the second sign: perfect mirroring. This phenomenon stands as a testament to the profound and unique nature of twin flame relationships. In the grand design of our personal realities, where mirroring is a common occurrence, the twin flame presents a mirror like no other, absolute and unerring in its reflection. Perfect mirroring in the context of twin flames is more than a superficial echo of traits and behaviors. It is a deep, intricate mirroring of the soul, where every facet, every nuance, every misalignment and strength is reflected with startling accuracy. This mirroring is so precise and immediate that it often manifests in the dynamics of their interactions. For instance, in moments of disagreement leading to a choice of separation, this mirroring might reveal itself in actions that are strikingly synchronized, such as an instantaneous mutual withdrawal or blocking. This aspect of mirroring transcends what we typically observe in other relationships. The twin flame knows you at an extraordinarily deep level, for they are not just connected to you, they are one with you. This unity makes it impossible to conceal any aspect of your being. If there is an unaddressed block or issue, it cannot be veiled or avoided, as it would be in conventional relationships. The twin flame, feeling every ripple of your energy, mirrors this back to you, because it exists within your shared consciousness. Such mirroring is not merely a reflection of the physical or emotional self, it is a mirror to the soul. It is in this sacred space of shared consciousness that any hidden blocks or unresolved issues become apparent. The twin flame connection demands authenticity and invites healing. The mirroring acts as a catalyst, urging each individual to confront and heal their inner shadows. In healing these aspects, the change is instantly mirrored in the twin flame, reflecting the profound connection and the shared journey towards wholeness. In summary, the perfect mirroring in twin flame relationships is a powerful and transformative aspect. It underscores the unity and deep understanding that exists between twin flames. This mirroring is not just a reflection of the self, but an invitation to grow, heal, and evolve together in a journey that is as much about self-discovery as it is about the union of two souls. Sign 3. Dissolution of soul longing. In the mystical journey of twin flames, a unique phenomenon unfolds: the dissolution of soul longing. This profound experience is characterized by the disappearance of a deep, intrinsic yearning upon the meeting of twin flames. This soul longing, often felt as an unconscious memory, is akin to an eternal connection to another soul, deeply embedded within the essence of a twin flame. It's like a silent whisper from the soul, reminding them of a connection that transcends time and space. Dolores Cannon's teachings on past lives and soul contracts provide further insight into this phenomenon. She proposed that this longing is a remembrance of the soul's other half, a bond formed across lifetimes and dimensions. According to Cannon, twin flames are destined to reunite, often carrying a subconscious awareness of each other's existence from a young age. This manifests as a consistent, unshakable feeling that there is someone special, somewhere out there, meant for them. Upon the pivotal moment of meeting, twin flames experience a significant shift. The deep-seated longing they have carried is miraculously replaced by an overwhelming sense of fulfillment and completeness. This resonates with Cannon's concept of soul recognition and completion. It's as if the soul, in finding its counterpart, finally finds its missing piece, achieving a state of equilibrium and wholeness. However, Cannon also acknowledged the complexity of these connections, considering the dynamics of karmic relationships. She suggested that twin flames might still find themselves drawn to others, especially if they have unresolved past life lessons or are on a path of healing. This aspect adds a layer of depth to the twin flame narrative, highlighting that the journey to union isn't always straightforward. Despite these potential attractions, the meeting of twin flames is distinct and unparalleled. It is characterized by an immediate and undeniable recognition and a sense of fulfillment that seems to confirm the soul's deep-seated knowledge of its destiny and journey. This moment of union challenges the ego, as the logical mind often grapples with the complexities and profundities of soul-level experiences. Sign 4. Profound recognition and understanding. The fourth sign, unique to twin flame connections, is characterized by a level of recognition and understanding that transcends the boundaries of conventional relationships. This profound connection can be likened to the uncharted depths of the cosmos, where mysteries abound and only the twin flames possess the map to navigate this intricate terrain. In a twin flame relationship, partners recognize and understand each other at all layers and levels of being, reaching into the very core of their existence. This connection goes beyond the surface-level bonds often found with romantic soulmates. It's a profound, all-encompassing understanding that penetrates the deepest aspects of the soul. This sign resonates with Dolores Cannon's explorations into the soul's journey. According to her insights, twin flames feel a sense of being unseen or incompletely understood by others before they meet. This sense of incompleteness is not just a mere longing for connection, but a deeper, soul-level yearning for the kind of understanding that only a twin flame can provide. Cannon's work sheds light on how, at a soul level, twin flames are always connected, a concept that explains why twin flames can feel and understand each other profoundly, even in moments of solitude. This connection is particularly felt during deep meditation or in the transitional phases of sleep and awakening, times when the conscious, logical mind is relaxed allowing the deeper soul connection to surface. This profound recognition and understanding in twin flame connections is distinct from other forms of relationships. While connections with soulmates or other intense romantic bonds are significant, they do not share the same core soul frequency that twin flames do. Twin flames have a unique frequency and energetic signature that aligns perfectly, allowing them to connect and understand each other on a level that is unattainable in other relationships. The concept of profound recognition and understanding in twin flame relationships echoes Canon's teachings about the soul's deeper connections and interactions. It's a recognition that transcends the physical and mental planes, tapping into the spiritual and energetic realms where twin flames are eternally intertwined. Sign 5. Alignment of core values. In the mystical journey of twin flames, the fifth sign emerges as a profound alignment of core values. These core values are the essence of a soul, akin to a unique energetic frequency or a soul's signature song. In the realm of twin flames, it's this identical vibrational essence that distinguishes their connection. While twin flames might exhibit varying surface-level ideologies, beliefs, or opinions, their fundamental core values remain in perfect harmony. These core values delve much deeper than any belief system, forming the root from which all perceptions and ideologies sprout. They are the unspoken understandings, the intrinsic feelings that guide their innermost thoughts and actions. Consider, for instance, a twin flame pair where one is a vegetarian driven by a love for animals and nature, while the other, not a vegetarian, shares a similarly profound love for animals, perhaps manifesting through caring for them on a farm. Both individuals, despite their differing lifestyles, reflect a deep-seated core value, a profound connection and reverence for life. This alignment in core values implies that twin flames resonate at a fundamental level. Their resonance is unaffected by the diversity of their life experiences, cultural backgrounds, or external beliefs. It's a resonance that transcends the superficial layers of their beings, touching the very core of their existence. In the quest for recognizing a twin flame, it is vital to peer beyond the surface-level similarities and focus on this deeper, more meaningful alignment of core values. While ideas and opinions are transient, evolving over time, core values are enduring, unwavering. These are the values that twin flames share intrinsically, forming the cornerstone of their profound and eternal bond. Sign 6. Connection with self and soul's mission. The sixth sign, pivotal in the celestial tapestry of twin flame connections, is the profound experience of connecting with one's true self and soul's mission. This connection, far from being a mere romantic entanglement, is a catalyst for spiritual and personal growth, enhancing and aligning one's innermost passions and purposes. In the presence of a twin flame, whether in physical proximity or separated by vast distances, there blossoms a deep sense of inspiration and motivation. This connection fosters a unique encouragement in one's spiritual path or life's journey. It is not just about companionship, it's about mutually accelerating each other's growth and aspirations. The concept of a soul mission in twin flame relationships transcends traditional views of spiritual endeavors. It doesn't always manifest in overtly spiritual terms. This shared mission can take various forms. It could be as intricate as a joint artistic pursuit or as simple as cultivating a harmonious relationship that radiates positivity into the world. Twin flames, by their very nature, are aligned in such a way that their combined energy serves a higher purpose. Even when physically apart, twin flames continue to provide an invisible yet palpable energetic support to each other. This support acts as a force, propelling each other along their individual life paths and towards their destiny. The twin flame connection serves not just as a source of love and comfort, but as a beacon of encouragement for each individual's journey. This unique characteristic of twin flame connections, the sense of support and alignment with one's mission, transcends physical circumstances. It highlights the deep spiritual bond shared between twin flames, emphasizing that their union is more than just a meeting of hearts. It is a confluence of souls, each on a journey towards fulfillment and enlightenment. Sign 7. Unwavering Synchrony. In the sacred journey of twin flames, the seventh sign is the unwavering synchrony of being perpetually on the same page. This unique characteristic of the twin flame connection transcends the conventional dynamics of relationships, speaking to a deeper, more mystical union. The essence of this sign lies in the shared consciousness that twin flames possess. Unlike other relationships where individuals maintain distinct, separate minds, twin flames exist in a state of unity so profound that their consciousness merges into one. This unity is not about being carbon copies of each other. Rather, it is an intimate connection where thoughts, desires, and aspirations are harmoniously aligned. This phenomenon of always being on the same page is a hallmark of the twin flame relationship. It is not a mere coincidence of similar wants or parallel thoughts. Instead, it is a manifestation of their singular consciousness. In this shared state of being, the desires and aspirations of one are inherently understood and shared by the other. This alignment ensures that twin flames move together in unison, their paths and purposes interwoven in a seamless dance of synchrony. The constancy of this alignment is what sets the twin flame relationship apart. Unlike other relationships where change in desires or goals might lead to discord or separation, in a twin flame connection, such a scenario is virtually non-existent. The desires and goals of twin flames evolve and grow together, reflecting their united journey. This perpetual alignment is not just about shared interests or mutual goals. It is a deeper, more profound synchrony that speaks to their united soul's mission. In this unique connection, separation is an illusion. The twin flames, even when physically apart, remain united in their shared consciousness, continually mirroring and supporting each other's growth and evolution. This synchrony is a testament to the twin flame connection being more than a relationship. It is a union of souls, a fusion of spiritual paths, and a journey towards a shared destiny. This unwavering synchrony in twin flame relationships is not just a sign of their deep connection, but also a guiding force, ensuring that they move together towards their shared purpose. It is a reminder that in the realm of twin flames, two souls are forever entwined, always on the same page, journeying as one towards their collective spiritual awakening. As we conclude this mystical journey through the world of twin flames, we are reminded of the profound and transformative nature of these connections. Each sign, from the ignition of spiritual awakening to the unwavering synchrony of shared consciousness, reveals the depth and uniqueness of the twin flame bond. These connections, steeped in the spiritual teachings of Dolores Cannon and mirrored in the depths of our own souls, offer more than just companionship. They offer a path to self-discovery, spiritual growth, and an unparalleled understanding of love and unity. In the end, the journey of twin flames is a testament to the power of the human spirit and the boundless potential of the soul. It is a journey of unity, reflection, and profound transformation, beckoning us to embrace the infinite possibilities of love and spiritual connection. So, as we step forward, let us carry the lessons and insights of this journey within us, shining a light on our paths and enriching our lives with the magic and mystery of twin flames.